Welcome back to Woodwork Therapy. If you're coming from part one, this is part two of our cool things for kids to do during the summer. We're going to be using a non-polluting epoxy that doesn't seem to have any odor, so it's kind of an odorless epoxy that we got from Temu, along with a whole bunch of mold kits. There's so much stuff to do here. This one's going to be really, really fun. On that note, let's get into it. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification for all of our newest videos. Okay, so before the teenagers come in and go and create havoc with this place, let's go over like how much some of the stuff costs. So the epoxy resin casting resin, that's going to cost you $6.99 at 16 ounces total between the part A and part B. We have the Chameleon powder here that you're seeing on your screen. That one's going to be $10.99 for that full set. We have the Crystal Diamond White Pearl powder, so basically it's Pearlescent. 96 cents for this big old bottle. As you can see, it's quite large. We also have, oh yes, this one's really fun. We also have our glow-in-the-dark one. This one's really neat. It's a pretty decent sized bottle, and that was $3, so nothing wrong there. And then we have, for our last item here, the Epoxy Resin Silicone mold kit for making earrings, necklaces, pendants, keychains. It's got all sorts of stuff in it. As you're seeing here on the screen, we've got all of our little molds here where we can make all of our pendants. We have the little things, if you saw part one, you have the little thingamajigs in here that you can put in there. We have a little drill bit deal on here, along with the drill bit itself, and we also have some little hangers that you can run into your epoxy items that you make. And then we also have some basic supplies that also come with it as well. So really, really neat kit. But yeah, oh, and not to forget, also comes with a little storage bag for all of your necessities that you have here on the table. So, all right, so that's it. So let's let the teenagers get in here and let's have some fun. All right, cool. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to also use the drill that comes with the kit. It's pretty simple. We went ahead and got the drill bit already installed in there. Just screws down at the top, as you can see right here. And then once it screws down, then the bit's locked in. So let's go ahead and drill the pendant that we made here. So there we go. And we're just going to go ahead and insert that about the center here of the pendant and drill right into it. And just got to apply a little bit of pressure to kind of get that in there. And then after you get down a little ways, then you can stop, and then we can go ahead and insert the mount that's supposed to be there. So we have the mount right here on the table. We'll go ahead and put that in. Those are also included. They give you a fair amount of those. We're inserting the mount in. So it's just a matter of just screwing it in there, because the drill makes a nice little cut for it. And then once that's all screwed in, then we're good to go. And now you're ready to go ahead and throw that on a necklace of your choosing, or whatever you're into.
This is what I made, this bear pendant and this beautiful crystal pendant. I enjoyed these projects a lot because they were fun. It was really creative in my opinion, and I can't wait to do more.
I created these 3 glow-in-the-dark diamonds and 1 teddy bear. I enjoyed this project because it lets me bring out my creativity, and I can't wait to do more.
All right, thank you for joining us again for part 2 of our little advanced epoxy endeavor that we were doing here. Some fun for the kids' summer, or winter. I mean, if it snows where you're at, then I guess it could be for winter, whatever you're into. I don't judge, I really don't. Anyway, that all being said, definitely check down below in the description for discount codes, link to the products, all that fun stuff. Get yourself that 30% off. In the meantime, Make sure to hit that thumbs up to let us know if you like this type of content, because we are kind of playing around with it, and maybe we'll make some more. It could happen. All right, in the meantime, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. You know what to do. Stay safe in the shop.